Alright, y'all, welcome back to the Dominoes 7 show, rainy day schedule show. Okay, we're all showing y'all some clips doing a lot of crap and stuff like that. Okay, yes indeed. So I'm about to finish playing my game while y'all watching me. It fell over. Okay, let's see. Can y'all see the full screen? Okay, now I'm about to change into Trevor. Alright. You want me to cut that light off? Okay, I'll cut the lamp off right now. Well, where the hell is Trevor? He was making trouble. He was making trouble. Let's see what the hell is going on in here.
No, it's all just a dream. It's all just a bad dream.
Oh yeah, that guy ran out the house in his pajamas. Okay. Alright, what the hell am I doing, folks? So, all he was doing just sitting in his house relaxing. You know? All Trevor was doing just sitting in his house relaxing. Okay. Well, oh well. What the hell is about to happen?
LSPD!
Okay.
Yes!
Trevor got arrested for nothing. He got arrested for nothing. Ain't that something, y'all? He was under arrest for nothing. Why? Why was he under arrest for nothing? He was under arrest for nothing. Ain't that something? Under arrest for nothing. Yes indeed, yo. So what's taking it so long? Okay, let's see what the heck he's gonna do. Is he gonna make trouble? This bastard's looking good.
Your towels are off.
Okay, come on. Bring your big ass over here. Motherfucker. Excuse my language, y'all. I guess Trevor was making trouble. Oh no. He about to kick my ass. He's gonna kick my ass. Yeah, Trevor was making trouble. Oh great. He was making trouble. His big ass. His big ass making trouble. He's making trouble. Well, no weapons. Kick some ass. He making trouble. Why is he making trouble? He always making trouble. Oh, he's in trouble. Any weapons? Okay. Oh no! Oh well. Well, folks, since it's still a Randy episode, okay, we're gonna watch some more clips.